and we're here today to introduce you to our public services courses, so listen on to find out all you need to know. Hi Tom, can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Hello, I'm Tom Jones. I am one of the public services lecturers and also a course tutor here at Cardiff and Vale College.
That's great. Can you tell me a little bit more about the public services courses you run at CAVC?
Of course, yeah, we offer a multitude of different courses here at Cardiff and Vale College. We go from level 2 all the way up to level 5. So we go through from GCSE all the way up to HND through Cardiff and Vale College and University of South Wales.
That sounds great, Tom. Where are the courses based, and do students need to have any additional uniform or kit for this course?
Our courses are based either at the Cardiff International Sports Campus in Leckwith, or they're based in our Vale campus in Barry. Students will be required to produce outdoor activity clothing, but that is generally, we tell you what you need, but it's down to you to where you get it. We don't make sure that you have to go out and buy the most expensive stuff. We tell you what's the best gear to get, and you make the decision.
Thank you. What is the balance of theory and practical work on the course?
Obviously, we would absolutely love to be doing 50-50, but it doesn't necessarily work like that. You know, the courses are very academic, and I would say roughly about 70% theory and about 30% practical. Obviously, that can change over the years and over the levels, but we do try and get that practical knowledge in there the best we can.
There are a variety of different places that you can do courses similar to this. Why is CAVC unique and the place to go to?
We're different. Let's just go right from the start. We are different. Our lecturers are all ex or are actually still in the public services, right the way from the armed forces through to local government, central government. We are all experienced. We offer a fantastic opportunity. Our staff will give you 100% to make sure that you get the qualification and the grade that you deserve, and we'll push you as far as we think we can go with you. If you're just coming in for an easy ride at passes, we'll be pushing you for those merits and distinctions. As long as you put in 100%, we will meet and go further than any of your expectations.
Thank you. How good does a student's physical fitness need to be for this course?
It needs to be a reasonable level of fitness. Now, you do not need to be a marathon runner. You don't need to be up to British Army fitness standards. All we want from you is to try. That's it. As long as you know you're trying, both physically and academically, we will never ask any more of you.
Thank you. Where do learners progress onto at the end of this course?
So obviously at our level 2 offering, after completion of level 2, you'll then be allowed to go on to the level 3. So level 3 is done over 2 years, which is equivalent to A levels, and including Welsh back, you'll end up with 4 A levels, which is a fantastic offering. Those who then go from there, a lot of people go into the services, the forces, they go into the government. We've had lots of people join the prison service at the moment, or you can actually go on to our HND programme, which is done with the University of South Wales, which has a year-by-year checkout rate. So you can do the level 4, which is HNC, then on to level 5, HND, and then if you want to, you can then top up for the full BA Honours in Public Services, which can also lead to the Masters in Health and Public Service Management.
At CAVC, we offer a wide variety of extra opportunities that people can take part in when they're at college. One of these is the CCF Army Cadets. Can you tell me a little bit more about that, please?
Yeah, of course. Obviously, I run the CCF for Cardiff and Vale College. I'm the contingent commander. The CCF, or Army Cadets, as you put it, the Combined Cadet Force, is a Ministry of Defence youth service. Students are not required to join the armed forces. Let's get that right out the way. It's not about making you into soldiers. It's about giving you exposure and the controlled risk to develop your own personal skills and abilities, from teamwork to leadership. We take students on a weekly basis in our Vale campus, and we go through military style training and ethos, which could lead to going out onto the ranges, firing weapon systems, or it could be out in the Brecon beacons doing navigation, or it could actually just be so simple as going out and doing kayaking or gorge walking, pushing you and developing your skills socially and also academically with potential level qualifications, developing you into a more employable person.
Thank you. I know a lot of your students have gone on to do remarkable things. Can you give me a few examples of where some of your students have progressed to and how fantastic they've been?
Yeah, of course. So, we are very, very lucky in what we do. And we make it quite clear that no matter where you go in the public services, you will affect someone's life. That could be working for the Vale of Glamorgan Council, or that could be out on the front line with the troops as we speak. Our students go anywhere and everywhere. Recently, one of our students joined us at level 4. She'd come from us from actually studying contemporary dance, but knew that she wanted to do something very different. And we supported her through a level 4, so the HNC. She undertook our community first responders, so she learned and become part of the NHS as supported by Cardiff and Vale College, deploying to 999 emergency calls with her other colleagues from the group. From there, then she progressed into the Army Reserves as a medic and is now a full-time prison officer. That's just one of them. We have a lot of people who actually come through from us and are very pointed and fixated in one place. I want to be a police officer, I want to be a firefighter. But actually, when they join us, our job isn't to pinpoint you, it's to open doors. We've had a lot more people go into central government and also local government. We've had people who have just come along, and for a couple of years after their course, they have taken up a normal job, and then they've decided then to use their back in what they've learned. They found themselves through our course to be very, very employable, and have got very respectable jobs. We've got Royal Marine Commandos, we have RAF Regiment personnel, police officers, third sector. So a lot of people go into third sector charities, so RNLI. We also have people for Shelter Cymru, Welsh Government. We really, really do push you and open doors. Our job isn't to close them, it's to open them.
Thank you very much for talking to me, Tom. If there is anything we haven't covered here or want to find out more, you can go to the CAVC website at cavc.ac.uk/virtual open day, where you can send us all your questions. Don't forget to check out the other videos on the same page. There is lots of information about our courses on our website. Thank you for listening, and we shall see you soon.
Hello.
Thanks, bye.